when my body goes to someone else. You're in my head, and I could get you out of it if I could do it all again. I know I'd go back to you.